Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, today I'm gonna be real quick, okay? I just want to show you two indicators that you can use to trade, safely and make good profit. And I'll show you can make even up to $100 a day using this very simple strategy. We just need only two indicators. I'm just gonna show you right now, as you can see right here. We got only two indicators here right now, as you can see. So we just need these two indicators, the awesome oscillator and the accelerator oscillator. Just these two indicators, guys. Only these two indicators is good for us to use in this strategy. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna add their indicator in your chart. Just go to insert here, go to indicators, and you go down to Bill Williams. All right, Bill Williams. You see, you got to add these two indicators: this awesome oscillator and oscillator. So we just need these two indicators. Now I'm going to show you how this indicator works. Now this is it. Very simple. I just want to be quick, guys. Now look at this. This is a crash 1000 and a crash 1000 index. We're using a 1 minute time frame. So in crash we buy and in boom we sell and the spike sells, something like that. So you can see here that you can see a green up, a green down. This indicator, this is how it works. Before we initiate a trade in this using this indicator, there needs to be a correspondence. You need to see a green up here in the uh, awesome oscillator and another green down here in the oscillator. There needs to be a correspondence, okay? Since this market is a buy, then this place need to show that, okay, buy, and the down here too need to show that, all right, buy. You understand? So if you see anything different from these, if you see any other color red, it means it's not really safe. So we can say, all right, here is a red. So we can see from here, this candle to this place was a safe candle for us to buy. That is what this indicator is. It's not 100% accurate, but at least it's 90%, okay? Because I've used this indicator to make profit. Yeah, I use it to make good profit. So if you know how to use it, just stick to the rules, guys. Make sure you watch out that these candles are in alignment, okay? If you're trading on crash 500, crash 1000, you need to have a green up here and a green down. So this place here is showing a green up and a red down, meaning the market. The indicators try to tell us that this market is not really certain. There might be a spike somewhere. I don't really know. There might be a spike. That is what it's trying to tell you. It's not saying that necessarily there's gonna be a spike here or something, but it's just telling you that from this range you need to be careful. That is why this rate is here, because there might be a spike. Like look at this right here. We have a red here. See, we here we got a green, a green. But you cannot understand down here. There's one thing about this indicator. If you cannot see the next candle moving stop down here, if it's not really visible like this one here, like you can see here, it's very tiny, very tiny. You cannot even see anything at all. So it's trying to tell you that this market is not really certain. There might be a spike somewhere, but just be ready for a spike. I don't know, it might come here, might come here. That is what the indicator is just trying to tell you, that a spike is on the way. It doesn't tell you the exact time the spike comes, but it just gives you warning that a spike is on the way. So if you know what's good for you, you just got to, hold on, even though the candle is really going up, because you don't know that the spike might come up anytime soon. So you look at this here. Up here is showing a whole green, and down here the market is very tiny. You cannot even see any candle. And boom, here is a spike. And look at here too. After this candle here, can see a red here telling you the market is not safe. Red, market is not safe. Market is not safe. And boom, look at a spike over here. See this indicator? That is how it works, guys. And from here, just very simple. The market need to be in correspondence. If you're going for crash, then you need to look at for green up, green down. And let it be very visible, not very tiny like this. Then you can safely initiate a trade within this range. Alright. So if you don't see that, then you shouldn't go for it. And if we're going for boom 1000, it's just the reverse of it. All right, this is boom 1000. Since boom is for selling, we're selling boom and we buy and crash. So look at here, we have a rate up, very tiny. Okay, right down here. So I was trying to tell you that from here to here we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 6, 7 candles that we would have made some good profits from here. 7 minute candle. So you can make even $5 per candle just according to lot size. Okay, you can use it whatever lot size, but I advise that you use a smaller lot size. All right, so don't go too greedy, don't be too deep. So just use a little lot size as you're gonna use. Okay, so that is it, guys. Just these two indicators. If you know how good to use it, you will make good profit using this indicator. But if you're a kind of person that you want so much fast money, you might crash. So you can just use this indicator if you just want to be stable, just slow and steady, and you're making stable profit without any fear of loss. You just use this indicator. Okay, so you know that from here to here is telling you, all right, it's safe for you to sell. Okay, that might not be an indicator. So if you're going for boom, you should look out for right up, right down before you initiate a trade. If you see a green, it's telling you not really safe. If you see a green, not really safe. It might not tell you that, all right, there's a spike, but it's just telling you that, I don't know, there might be a spike somewhere, so be careful. That is what it's just telling you. And boom, there's gonna be a spike somewhere. Just like here, just like we got here. Alright, alright, here is a spike. You can see a green here, telling you this market is not safe. Green up, green down, green up, green down, green up, green down. This is a boom. We are supposed to see a red, not green. But you can see a green up, green up, and boom, here is a spike. And here again, you can see you cannot even look at this very well. There's a green down, telling you that this very range is not really safe. And boom, here is a spike. So if you understand this indicator, you would make good profit from it. All right, you make some good profit, guys, real good profit. So just use a lower lot size, and if you're going for boom, know that you're going for the red. If you're going for crash, know that you're going for the green. So in boom, we're looking at for red up, red down, red up, red down. Once you see a red up and a green down, please don't initiate a trade. And if you're going for crash, if you see a green up and a red down, or a red down and a green up, don't initiate a trade. Before you initiate a trade, the colors need to be together. There needs to be a red up, a red down for boom, a green up, a green down for crash. Alright, so it's telling you that it's safe. So that is it, guys. If you can use this indicator very well, you're gonna help you to make some good profit. Alright, because I've helped use it and it makes some good profit for me, and that's why I want to share this with you guys. Please just, if this video helped you, just subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get updated when I post a new video, because I'll be posting more useful articles and indicators that's going to help you in forex trading and make good profit a day. You can make even up to $100. And I'm gonna in my subsequent videos, I'm gonna be sharing some bots with you guys that's gonna automate your trading and give you lots of profit without you doing anything, because I've used all these materials and they're very useful and very helpful. So if you want to get more stuff from my channel, please just subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and uh, give this video a thumbs up so you get updated. Alright, guys, that is it for now. I'm gonna see you in the next video, because I'm gonna make another video on how you can make a profit even up to $100 a day. So just stay updated, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.